Where to find the sound equalizer settings for Samsung phones with Android 16 One UI 8.0. The guaranteed way to check for a equalizer settings without the need of a app on your Samsung phone, go into the quick access, tap on this settings option right here. Then from this point on, go down until you see the part that says sounds and vibration right here. And as you enter here, you're going to see all these options and just go down until you see sound quality and effects. Now that you're here, you can go into where it says equalizer. So once you see equalizer, that means your Samsung phone has it, and most Samsung phones should have this here. And of course, you can go ahead and choose the presets or actually go with the custom option here and just adjust the bands unto your liking. And that's how you would go about finding it and making use of it. Like and sub.